Dobry. Wszystko dobrze? Dobrze. I'm good. A little bit tired. Yesterday was a super long night, but got a smoothie to get me started because today I have a feeling it's gonna be not a super long day, but it's gonna be one of those days. How you get the tickets to the train station. That line is insane. This day, this plan could all go trash if I can't find another way to buy these tickets. Normally when you're here and you need a train ticket, you just buy the train tickets from here. But like all the machines are down and every line is super long. Okay, so quick update. Thank you so much to my friends. Daria, if you're watching, dziękuję, dziękuję, dziękuję. I got a way out of here. Apparently you can buy tickets online. And although the Polish website is in English, you can translate it to English. When you go to buy the ticket, the whole process of buying the ticket is in Polish, which doesn't make any sense. And as you guys know, my Polish is not so, yeah. But long story short, got the ticket. Train leaves in about 45 minutes. Not sure where exactly, what platform it is. So we're gonna figure everything out. We're gonna. This like really cool restaurant, kind of like in the walkway. Gonna try it out. Never seen this kind of food before, but looks good. And no meat. I'm trying to have less of it. Yeah, I have a feeling this is gonna be a very, very long train ride. Apparently the seats are not like two like what I'm used to in normal trains. You know, you can walk down the middle. It's like little booths everywhere. So it's like you gotta sit in a room, a booth with like 8 people. It doesn't feel like there's air conditioning. So yeah, just a heads up if you guys are taking the train. The guy told me there was some free spots. It was too cramped up over there, too many people. Don't do all the work, but I can help you in the right direction. You gotta pick yourself up. Okay? Alright. It was a pleasure to meet you. Enjoy your trip. Welcome to POZNAN. Mikola, you're watching this. I kept my promise, told you I'd come here to POZNAN. I don't know anything about the city. And just for the record, I am super lost in this underground area. Okay, no I'm not. Yeah, so one of the things I always do when I come here, instead of like freaking out and walking outside the train station, standing outside, looking on your phone, looking completely lost, 100% like a tourist, I kind of just take my bag, go to some place chill, sit down, breathe, relax, enjoy that I've arrived at my destination, and then find the way to go to the hostel or wherever I'm going. But I try not to freak out like right now when I'm totally lost. And straight from the train station into the shopping center. I'm not looking like a tourist too much. Thank you, POZNAN, for having these Perfect. I hate being lost in public on my phone. All right, I got it. It should be only 20 minutes, 20-minute walk, which will show me a little bit of Poznan and thank goodness, Poznan, you guys have these live scooters. Oh, and just as I'm walking here, first thoughts on Poznan. Very interesting city. It doesn't remind me of any other city that I've been to here in Poland. That'd be the easiest way to describe it so far. But that's just my thoughts. I'm just still on my way. Okay, so all checked in, everything is all good. I have a little bit of time, not gonna do too much right now. Vlog, we're gonna have a lot of work to do, still have to meet some people, but do want to kind of walk around here and kind of do a late night after a long day scouting, while basically it's like the vlog is like scouting, but for me in real life, it's me just trying to find a nice little place to have a coffee to feel the city a little bit out. But one question, Poznan, where's all the coffee shops? Where's like the Cafe Nero's, Costa Coffee? I'm not seeing any of these coffee shops. These are the places that they make me feel a little bit familiar because I go to them every day, no matter what city I am in Poland. But just struggling to find that right here. Okay, so I think I found the street where kind of everything's going on. Like super interesting. I don't know if it's going on like just now or if it's a holiday, but it's almost like they have like a Christmas market kind of thing set up. I don't know, I'm not sure why, or maybe it's like this all the time, or just it. Okay, so I guess maybe I should just re-correct my phrase about there's always something going on in Warsaw to like there's always something going on here in Poland. Doesn't matter the city. Right? Isn't that right, man? I know, right? Yeah, all right, to you. Okay, so this is like 2 hours later almost. It's starting to become like, it's starting to get more packed out here. But Poznan is, I haven't explored it enough. I've only been walking around for maybe like an hour or something like that, but it has a really cool, chill kind of vibe. I need to see more of the city. I kind of got here kind of super late, super exhausted, so I don't want to say any thoughts now, but it seems like there's a lot going on here. Tomorrow might be a big day because I think it's like midsummer or something like that here. But there's a lot of bars, a lot of restaurants, a lot of people, a lot of young people. It's going to be very interesting, and I'm really excited to be here. It's the one city I've been looking forward to come to, which I wanted to come last time. I didn't have the time to. Got to meet some people, got a lot of things going on, but thank you guys so much for coming along and sticking with me through the day. I guess kind of on that note, I'm probably going to end the vlog here in this square here in Poznan, which I'll know more about next time or tomorrow. And thank you guys again so much for watching. All of your support, everything really means a lot to me, and I'll talk to you guys all later. And everyone, always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.